Hi, my name is Piura. So I think it is good for the Muslim extremists, Muslim against extremists against the Western Christians who are evil and proud, because the Western Christians are rich, developed, and progressed, and they look down on the Hindu, Muslim, and Buddhist. And the Muslim consists of over 40 countries, and the Buddhist over 10 countries, and the Hindu just a few. Nobody there to challenge against the Christian. Only the Muslims there to challenge against the Christian.
The brother has felt emotionally that the Christian of the Western countries, they look down upon the Buddhists, the Muslims, the Hindus, and no one dares to challenge the Western Christian except the Muslims. Brother, what you are saying is right. All Muslims don't have the trust to challenge the Western world. There are some Muslims like Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. All the Muslims don't have the guts. And I am a person who is not very much in favor of politicians. There are very few politicians who I respect, and one of them is Dr. Mahathir Mohamad. And I remember when I met him the first time 7 years back in Abu Dhabi, we were discussing, and he said that if the Muslims, if the Arabs stop dealing in dollars, America will come on its knees immediately. There are few politicians who I really care. One was King Faisal of Saudi Arabia. He had the guts. I remember when you read his biography that when oil was discovered, he said, let's have the meeting in the desert. And that time when they pressurized the Muslims, King Faisal said that we are Badus, we are Bedouin, we are Arabs, we can go back to the desert. What will happen to you when we stop giving you oil? And I believe one of the things of Dr. Mahathir Mohamad was that if he had the control of the oil what the Arabs had, he would have ruled the world. That's why I said in my lecture of Terrorism Muslim Monopoly that most of the terrorist acts, direct or indirectly, are linked to politicians. They try to create the vote bank, they create all this problem. In Islam,